Hey, I'm Sasha Evdokov, and in this video, I brought my favorite buddies. They're called the Ninja Turtles, and I got this mug from a friend of mine, and it's a great mug, but the Ninja Turtles, they're always fighting with the Foot Clan. And the same thing goes with the day traders and the swing traders. They're always fighting with each other and battling which one is better. So let me give you a breakdown of day traders versus swing traders and which one's going to win out, just so that way you can compare and understand which style of trading is better for you. Okay, so looking at this diagram, we're going to go over each segment and I'm going to compare the day traders versus the swing traders. And that way you can make an informed decision which one's better for you. So the holding time for a day trader is less than 6.5 hours because there's less than 6.5 hours in a trading day. Now you can hold it for maybe 7 hours if you trade pre-market and aftermarket, but typically you'll hold it less than 6.5 hours. The holding time for a swing trader, on the other hand, is 1, 2, 3 days. It could be 2 months. It could be 2 weeks. But it's typically longer than 1 day. The second thing is the overnight risk. If you're a day trader, you have no overnight risk because you buy and sell your positions within 1 day and that's it. You're done and you're out by the end of the day and you have your night freedom. With a swing trader, you do have that overnight risk if a stock gaps down, and that way it can affect you when trading. So you'll have to make some adjustments based on your trade when trading for swing trading for overnight risk. Commissions typically are more expensive for day traders because you're making more trades. The commissions will chew you out. It could be 20%, 30% of your earnings, and it can really take a huge expense into your life. Just the fact that you're doing more trades because you got to get in and out of those trades every single day. With swing trading, you'll have less commissions because you're getting in and out of positions a lot less frequently. So you'll be able to save on that route. Looking at compounding, with day trading, you do compound your earnings and your account faster. Since you're able to trade the next day with the previous earnings that you had, you're able to compound things quicker and quicker and quicker day in and day out every single day. Whereas with swing trading, you know, if you're holding it for a month or two, you won't be able to use that profits that you're making from the stock or the trade until you close out that position, which could be 6 months later, it could be 8 months later. So with compounding, the day trading is faster. When it comes to your own personal mental attention, with day trading, you need to be very focused. You need to watch the screens and watch the markets closely, and then you're in and you're out. Sometimes you can't really leave the screens, and if you do go to the bathroom, you got to make it quick because you need to be back checking things, or you better be checking it on your phone. With swing trading, you're a little more relaxed. You understand what's happening. You understand what's going on. So you're a little more relaxed, or you're more patient. If the market pulls back a little bit, you're okay with that. If your stock pulls back a little bit, you're okay with that. So you'll be more relaxed since you're looking at a longer outlook in time. Now, as far as a personality goes, if you're into the A-type, B-type personalities, the A-type personalities that wants to trade all the time would be the day traders. The swing traders would be the B-type personality. So you might be wondering who makes more money if you're talking about day trading versus swing trading, if that's important to you. Well, it depends. It depends on who's the better trader. It doesn't mean that the day trader can make more or the swing trading will make more. It just means who's a better trader. Now, what about a better life? Again, it depends on the type of lifestyle that you want. First, you got to determine what type of lifestyle that you want, and then go after the things that you want as far as a trading person goes. So if you want to have a more relaxed lifestyle, then probably a swing trader would be the one to go with. If you want to be a little more active in the markets and you don't mind working a little extra or being a little honed in and focused, then day trading is fine. Typically, you can be a hybrid trader, and you might day trade during certain market conditions and you might swing trade during other market conditions. You'll have to be adaptable as you progress in time. Otherwise, there might be certain times you shouldn't trade if you're a day trader, and other times where you shouldn't trade if you're just a swing trader. But if you're able to be hybrid, if you're able to be fluid and move with the current of the markets, then you'll be able to be a day trader during certain market conditions, and then you'll be able to be a swing trader during other market conditions. So it doesn't mean you have to stick to one weapon of choice like the Ninja Turtles. You can mix around and use other weapons in order to be more profitable for your own personal account. Now, if you ask me personally what I like swing trading a lot better. It fits my lifestyle more so than day trading. But there are times where I do some day trading just because the market calls for it. And there are times where I might sit out 2-3 months out of the market and not do anything but just watch the action, because the conditions aren't set up for my style of trader. So if you can be a hybrid trader, if you're able to be fluid and change your style according to the market, then you'll be much better off, and that's the route to go. Thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed this video and you want to take your trading to that next level and learn faster than ever, then go ahead and check out some of my courses on my website at tradersfly.com. And if you'd like to see exactly the stocks that I'm watching right now in this market conditions, then go ahead, sign up to my newsletter right here, and you'll get notified when I release my market recaps. Just click the button and sign up, and I'll show you exactly the stocks that I'm watching, the stocks that I'm seeing that'll break out higher, so that way you can make an informed decisions and you'll learn something extra as well. Thanks again. Remember to do what you love, contribute to others, and most importantly, live life abundantly. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Oh yeah, and don't forget, go ninja, go ninja, go! Go ninja, go ninja, go!